Yo, what's up, guys? So I did film an unboxing for this, but I lost the footage. Today we're checking out some wheels from What Them Fingers Do. These are their 55D urethane glow-in-the-dark wheels. And I'm throwing them on my custom slep deck. I had some real street joy-coats on there before, and I don't feel like the color really matched the deck, so decided to grab some other wheels, and they're glow in the dark, so it's really, really cool. Looks really good. Similar size to the Joy-Coat 3.0s, light 3.0s. You already know, I'm gonna give you guys a squeak test. Shout out to What Them Fingers Do. They also sent me some free B-stock wheels, 62D, stickers, and a pen. Now the best part, let's check out the glow-in-the-dark feature. Now the camera couldn't pick it up too well. It glows way, way more in person, but it's the best I could get. Overall, I'm super hyped on these, and I give them a 10 out of 10 piece.